Top 4 Key Advantages of the Dropshipping Model. 1. Low initial investment. Dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment since the retailer doesn't need to purchase and store inventory. 2. Reduced risk. As there is no inventory to manage, there is also no risk of unsold products or overstock. 3. Flexibility. Dropshippers can quickly add or remove products from their online store without the constraints of physical inventory. 4. Location independence. The dropshipping model allows individuals to run their business from anywhere with an internet connection. However, there are also challenges associated with dropshipping. 1. Lower profit margins. 2. Quality control. 3. Dependence on suppliers. 4. Competition. 5. Successful dropshipping requires careful supplier selection,